Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, water jets, lasers, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a really heavy-duty machine. This is an Eisen 35 by 100. It also has a nice big gap in here if you need to swing something even bigger. You can check all the specs on our site. You'll see everything there. Just look at everything. Take an overall view here. You can see just how beefy everything is on this machine and how great condition actually it's in. If you take a look at all the carriage here, you'd see a lot of big pitting or crashes or anything like that, all in really good condition. This is all original paint. The ways are in really nice condition. You can see your compounds in really nice condition. Look how easy that is to move on such a big machine. Everything's been checked out on here. It's working great. Take a look at the ways. You can see there's no pitting, really smooth, really nice heavy duty. You've got a nice screw cover here as well as your feed cover, keep all your chips out. You can start the machine in two different ways. You can either do it over here on your head. You've got all your speed controls, inch metric, different pitch for your diametrical pitch, threading, and feeds. Or you can go over here. You have your X and your Y axis on this particular machine that are running. You can see that here. X and our Y. Again, take a look at how easy this is for me to move manually. Just a couple fingers. This huge carriage, no problem at all. Cross slide. Now we'll go ahead and start our spindle. It's got a 10-inch hole through the center. You'll notice there's two chucks. Here's one chuck. Right here's our other side, and it'll give you a hole right through the center, you can see. Now we can go ahead and put some feeds onto this. We have our feed screw turning. We're gonna move this up. That should put us into feed mode. Here's our longitudinal feed. And our cross feed right here, you can see moving nice and smooth. You can see on the readout here it's working as well. All right. We'll go ahead and put it in rapid feed mode. And our longitudinal. You can see our Y-axis moving right there. Everything's moving really nice. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and stop the machine. We're gonna reverse the spindle here. We could do that again from the head or from this control. We'll start our head again. Now we have a reverse of our speed. All right, now we're gonna change the head speed. Now it's cool, it's got a jog button right here, so you could hit that, and that'll help you fall into gear, which is usually a little bit of a headache, and something with this big of two chucks to kind of yank it into gear would be a little tough. So we'll go ahead and turn this. This is gonna allow for a different speed range, and we'll hit the jog just to get us into place. Now you can see our higher speed. And we'll go into an even higher, that's 102. That's 480 right there. Everything sounds really good. I'll let you hear it. I have a microphone set on me right here. You can hear everything sounds really nice and smooth in the head. I'm just holding down this jog button, letting it spin around for you. We'll go one more here just to the 12. Set it right on that spot. All right. There's a 52. There you can set the machine on. There's emergency stops all throughout the machine. You've got your work light, heavy duty tool post, your high and low speed tool tailstock right here. Makes it quick and easy to be able to pull it in and out with 2 different speeds. Very, very heavy duty machine. You can see all the covers right here, keeping all the wires out of all the coolant. Splash guard, chuck guard. Not much you can ask for besides what's already on here. It's a great running machine. If this is something you're looking for, let us know. If you need something larger or smaller, again, this has a 10-inch hole with a 35-inch swing, over 100 inches. We have a lot of different machines in stock. You can see right over here, we have another nice big double chuck machine. This is a Mazak. Here's a nice Cadillac 200-inch with a smaller bore. So depending on what you're gonna be looking for, this has a 12-inch hole through the center. We've got a lot of different machines for you, and if you're looking to buy, sell, or trade, we are too. Give us a call, 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com for financing options, as well as all our machinery in stock and some great videos. Thank you very much.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.